Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we've got two Kookaburras to unbox and add to the Kookaburra collection. I'm going to do this video in two parts, so this will be part one and then I will upload the second unboxing in a second video. But I'm going to film it in one go and then we'll just half it so it's not such a long video. But before we get into it, I'm going to be pouring myself a nice glass of whiskey. I've got a new one that I hadn't actually tried before, but it's actually going down quite nicely, 46%. It is called Hirundine. Hirundine, maybe, 12 years old. Yeah, quite a nice looking bottle, quite unusual. I opened it yesterday and I've been working my way through it. It's not up there with my favourites, that's for sure, but it is quite a nice one. Let me know in the comment section if you've heard of it or tried this before and what you think. I'm going to let it cool a little bit on the ice while we get the box out. This was a box that I had specially made for my 1 ounce Silver Kookaburras to go in. Extremely nice box. Oh, what's that? Please give this video a thumbs up. Oh, there we go. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Forgot I wrote that in there. I'll move that over there. But yeah, here's the box. So this is the box that I've got all of my Kookaburra collection in so far. I think it holds 45 in total, I believe, or maybe more. I can't remember now. But it's definitely future proof. First layer hasn't got any on. These are the latest ones here. But let's have a little look what we've got in today's package and then we'll add it to the collection. First we'll have a little sip. Very nice, quite smooth. Hasn't got the taste that I prefer when I go for a whiskey, but it will do, it does the job. But let's get straight into it. Now this is the first one. Very nicely wrapped. Double protection, not just in the jiffy bag, it's got another layer of protection here. And we have, what year do we have here? We have a 2003. Really, really nice matte finish on this one. What a stunning design. Quite a simple design compared to some of the years. But I really like the matte finish. Looks like it's in quite a good condition. A few scratches on the capsule, but that's fine. We'll be transferring it into a new capsule when we add it to the box. So we're looking for 2003. So where are we on the layers? Now these are, like I said, the latest one. That's the 2025 one there, the 35th anniversary. This is the next layer. You can see we're getting this collection done very nicely. I set myself a target of completing this whole collection within 2 years. And I'm trying to buy one a month at the moment. Some month I'm buying a couple more. This is the last layer. But there we go. That is the 2003 one just here. We're going to take this capsule apart. Let's have a little bit of a zoom. Take out this bit in the middle. Put that there. And let's see how easy this capsule is to open. Oh, that's good. Look, it's got a little bit that I can get my fingers into, which is perfect. Try not to touch the actual coin. Really, really nice condition. Transfer it over now, and then I'll show you the other side before I put the lid back on. Yeah, really pleased with that. Really liking that matte finish. Very nice looking design. Pop the capsule on. There we go. That's got a bit of a scratch on that capsule as well. But there we go. That is 2003. We'll pop that in its place. And that bottom layer is coming along very, very nicely. This bottom layer is proven to be one of the most expensive layers. It's the older years, so they command a bit of a premium compared to some of the newer ones. But really nice, really enjoying this collection. Just a shorter video there, but stay tuned. I will be uploading part 2 of this video today as well, so you can see what other Kookaburra I've got to add to the collection. I'm going to stop the video now because I can hear the Domino's pizza man coming to my front door. But thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.